I'm a
or like-
hustler.
That's crazy.
I'm a mad hustler.
Okay, tell me, I want to know, how do you then drop that ego and then still get
Because I
going?
have no ego. First, if you're an actor, you can't have ego. You're a bhikhari. Actors are asking for work because I think Priyanka Chopra said this. You're a freelancer.
Right.
You are. So your one job is over. What's your next job? You
Correct.
have to. You're constantly. You're your own product. You are selling yourself.
If you go back to any of your sets, like
Yeah.
a set properly, and you're observing like things that
I feel
worked
like
out,
guilty because
then-
I like now when I like think about the scenes, I was very wrong. Like I remember scenes, I'm like, oh shit, I remember I just could not do that, and it was so easy. How could I not do that? Because I was just so raw. So I feel like yeah, there were so many scenes I'd be more comfortable, like better at now.
So the actual places where you all shot, most of them were sets, or most of them were real places?
Every single thing, 100% was a live location.
Wow.
Not one thing was a set.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's insane.
When I'm changing the light bulb,
Yeah.
the woman is inside the house, so that door, she's there. So every cut should look kaisa tha, अच्छा था, ma'am. Like
So it's like TV पे था, आपका घर खाली, आज shoot करना है.
It was literally like that. It was literally like that.
Question: was it planned? Did you know, or did you just did it because Alia is a friend?
No, it's because Vasan sir. Because
Oh.
yeah,
yeah,
so-
that's a connection as well.
correct. So in Monica, how he had all his previous actors
yeah.
do cameos. So I bumped into Sir somewhere and I said, "Hey, you're doing this film. That's so cool." And he's like, "Come, do for fun." Because even in Jigra, there's Sikandar,
Yeah.
there's Abhimanyu.
Yeah, there are a lot of people.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
he did that. So I was just one of his actors who did that for fun.
One thing that you picked from your co-star.
One definitely from Kiara about like making someone feel comfortable. I mean, of course, till now I've only worked in sets where people have been more established than I have. I don't think I'm very secure. I think I'm definitely, like I said, when you are trying to do it on your own, all you have is yourself. I don't think that's happening. Oh my God, it literally just happened. I was flying somewhere in the night and I knew it was a paid pap interaction, which was more hilarious because I'm walking past and this paps are like, "Kaun hai?" And they looked at me and "Nahi, nahi, wo to nahi hai." "Hi, uska gaadi ka number ye hai." And then I'm just like smiling to myself and I'm like whatever giving my ticket and then I hear aa gaya. And I look back and there's some dude with chashma and I'm like, oh God.
Are
save
you
me.
telling me who this dude is?
Absolutely not.
Hi everyone, this is Hesha Chima and you guys are tuned on to Varinder Chawla's page. Joining me for a conversation. I mean, I'm having a difficult time to even sit through this and call it an interview because I think she's just another super cool girl out there, killing it in life, looking her stunning best, and maybe I can call her my friend.
Yes,
Yeah,
very
hi,
much so.
Akansha Ranjan Kapoor in the house, in your
In
house.
the house.
Back again.
Hesha in the house.
Hesha's in the house.
Yeah.
Oh God, how stunning are you looking? Yeah.
Are you?
We're like in black.
Yeah.
Always. Black and white हमारा तो
Black and
almost
white.
similar हो गया है. You know, I was just saying this introduction maybe कि when you're sitting next to me ना, it's very tough क्योंकि ये मैं भूल जाऊंगी, ये मैं भूल
Gossip
जाऊंगी, ये
पे.
सब भूल मैं सीधा gossip
Gossip
पे आ
पे.
जाऊंगी कि भाई चल क्या रहा है. But I think before the madness and we'll
After cut.
After the cut
Yeah.
is when we'll chit chat and talk. But listen, you are like this urban girl, you know, giving looks. I see your Instagram as well, and then you do gram chikitsalay.
Gram.
Imagine, gram. See, this is me. My English and Hindi is wow.
How about someone who said gram chicken salad? So,
Oh my God,
So
wow.
it could have been worse.
So this is gram chicken.
Let's just look at our journalists. हमारे हिंदुस्तानी journalists.
कि हिंदी.
कि हिंदी सुनो आप.
So this is my thing. How
Yeah.
is your Hindi? How did you manage? How is it easy
I
to
speak
feel
very
it?
well. I speak very, very, very good Hindi.
Wow.
I've always had. My dad is a very strict teacher about Hindi and about language. Like he's someone, he couldn't even speak English. He learned English on his own
Oh, wow.
after like when he was 18, 19 years old. He learned Sanskrit. He learned, so he's learned Urdu. He's that guy. So
Wow.
for him, correct bhasha is very important.
Important.
So he used to take up my Hindi. He was like, Hindi film की heroine बनोगी, हिंदी नहीं आती. So that's what I've been brought up with.
अभी हिंदी में बात करेंगे. वैसे मेरी हिंदी आज
आपकी
बेटर
हिंदी
होने
तो
वाली
सुन
है.
के,
मेरी हिंदी इतनी बुरी नहीं. आई थिंक मैं प्रेशर में आ जाती हूँ जब कैमरा चालू होता है.
But that
Because, you know,
happens.
I think
I'll
हम
tell you what
सोचते
it is.
इंग्लिश में.
That's what I was just going to say. We think in English. So when you think in English, sentence framing gets a little bit
Yeah.
hectic. That's
Yeah.
my problem.
Also then like I've studied in an ICSE school where Hindi is one of my second languages.
same.
But उसके बाद भी like
Yeah.
this is what it is. Like
Yeah.
I'm constantly thinking in English and I'm gonna have to match up in Hindi.
Correct. And then the English words come in the
But
middle.
come in the middle, but I'm gonna try. अब हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे.
Actually, सच में ये होने वाला है.
Let's try ना, देखते हैं.
मेरे style में आप showed off now. I'm also getting nervous. Because my Hindi English thinking is also at war.
It's like स्वागत है आपका ग्राम चिकित्सालय में. Ding.
Oh God, that's funny.
But you know, you killed it, man. Like I
Thanks.
couldn't like imagine honestly. मुझे नहीं लगा था that you can play that role.
Yeah.
My bad.
Yeah.
But you did play it well. It's
Yeah.
also because sometimes we tend to know the person so well कि हम सोचते हैं ये actor हम भूल जाते हैं.
Yeah.
You know, we forget that
Yeah.
they have to play a part and you played
Yeah.
that part. Question: how did you land the part?
Yeah.
How difficult was it? Did you audition for it, or was it just cakewalk?
No. I landed the part because I was in touch with Arunab, who's the studio head of TVF, because I love TVF content, as does everybody in India. So I just love everything they do. And after Monica, they saw Monica and they reached out to me for a general meeting with the team. And I met the team and we were like, okay, we'll connect. Hopefully something works out. Nothing really materialized. And then I heard about the show from my management. So I reached out to them again saying, I heard about the show. They're like, okay, please meet the director and he'll take it forward. Met him, the director auditioned me with him. I auditioned with him a scene. And they were like very much, okay, interesting, but I believe the director was a bit skeptical because of the same reason that she's an urban girl and everything. But I was very like, guys, whatever you all need me to do, I will do it. Just just give me a chance. And anyway, he really liked my audition. His worry was same. The Hindi, the dialect, the Bombay girl vibe. How do you tone that down? But that's literally an actor's job. And I said, I'm an actor. I literally said, I'm an actor. That's my job. Let me show you that I can. And we did a couple more readings and stuff like that. And I think, he was convinced, the team was convinced. I met Deepak sir, who's the creator of Panchayat and everything. He's our showrunner. And they all were universally convinced. So that's how it happened.
Wow, amazing.
Wasn't a cakewalk, but I was determined. I knew I can pull it off. It's not that I was pekoing it. So,
दिख रहा है अभी तो.
So,
ऐसा होता है, like you very rightly said that there are times when you know that you're fit for it, but maybe others have that sort of like maybe not kind of a thing. Actually, हम इसी बारे में अभी बात कर रहे थे regarding my own job situation. Like maybe not is always the thing, but when you're a little confident about yourself, I think you can just sort of land what you want to.
I feel like I always say this, for an actor who's trying to make their mark, all you have is your self-belief.
Yeah.
No one else is believing in you because everyone has 10,000 things to do in life.
Yeah.
Secondly, like, because when you're auditioning, say you don't get a part, that's a rejection. That's a not good enough thappa, right?
Yeah.
So what do you have then? You only have, no, I am good enough. So your self-belief needs to be so damn strong that not to a point of delusion, just to a point of self-belief. So you keep going.
Yeah, right. This also happens time and again with actors, right? That they feel that they can perform and they can do something, but the industry boxes them as well. Then there are people like us who also have a perception. It's actually a perception game only at the end of the day. Some really sail through, some go through their own set of hardships, etc. But then there I feel some like you who make their way. And I kind of feel that you did that with this, because it's not so easy to pick up the call and be like, listen, I know I can fit this part.
I'm a hustler.
Or like, that's crazy.
I'm a mad hustler.
Okay, tell me, I want to know, how do you then drop that ego and then still get going?
Because I have no ego. First, if you're an actor, you can't have ego. You're a bhikhari. You're basically role de do, kaam de do. That's your only job.
But you're
in life.
saying it, pata bahut log nahi bolte. Nawazuddin said it in my interview. He's like, I will still ask for a job
but
if I
that's
know I want
just
it.
By the way, everybody does it. You will be shocked.
तो सब झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
You will be shocked at the amount of मतलब everyone का कोई तो बाप है ना.
Correct.
Right? So everyone is chasing someone higher than them maybe. But like everyone is chasing someone. Actors are asking for work because I think Priyanka Chopra said this. You're a freelancer.
Right.
You are. So your one job is over. What's your next job? You have to. You're constantly. You're your own product. You are selling yourself. So everyone is just asking for work for sure. No ego.
Very good.
The people who have an ego, the actors, they are never going to make it. It's not possible.
True.
I believe it's not possible.
Okay, no names, but have you met somebody who you just can smell from afar and be like, BS, this is bad?
100%. 100%.
And that's probably because of their ego.
Multiple reasons, but ego is a big factor. Ego, it's also like when you start buying your own BS. Right? One thing is you're selling it, one thing you're buying it.
Yeah.
That's very scary. Because then you have no you have no perspective.
Yeah.
And I think for me, one of my strong suits in life are I have lots of self-awareness. There can be self-confidence, but there needs to be self-awareness also.
True.
Where you are in life, what you are capable of, what your weaknesses are, what your strengths are. So when people don't lack that self-awareness, you're like, okay, this is a slippery slope. Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. If you could go back to any of your sets and watch yourself as an observer, which one would that be?
But what am I observing for?
Just for knowledge.
Because then I can watch Netflix and observe. So what do you
Like
mean?
just go back. Like if you go back to any of your sets, like
Yeah.
a set properly, and you're observing like things that
I feel
worked
like
out,
guilty because
then-
I like now when I like think about the scenes, I was very wrong. Like I remember scenes, I'm like, oh shit, I remember I just could not do that, and it was so easy. How could I not do that? Because I was just so raw. So I feel like yeah, there were so many scenes I'd be more comfortable, like better at now.
But that is when you're watching it, like you said,
Yeah.
मैं Netflix पे देख सकती
Yeah.
हूँ ये. But let's say you're back now, you're on that particular set. What are
Okay.
certain things that you would observe? Like I'll tell you one thing, okay?
Okay, yeah.
For example, somebody happened to mention in my interview that I did not understand camera angles at all.
Oh,
That
that.
way, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I am a noob. So I didn't know a lot of stuff. So now that I have friends who are directors and stuff, I said, please teach me lens and this and that. So I remember I did a song way before Guilty. So not way before, literally a month before Guilty. So I was like, okay, I'll take this as my homework of, understanding cameras and stuff. So I remember someone said, so there was Apar Shakti here and I'm in the background. And the director says, action. So I thought there's a camera facing him. So I'm just chilling like this. And he's like, when the director calls action, it's for all the actors. I said, but where's the camera? And he's like, the camera captures both of you. You are in the background. I thought the camera's facing him. Like, that's how, but you don't know,
You
right?
don't know.
So I said, so it's my first ever day in front of a camera. Please excuse me. So yeah, there was a lot
Yeah.
I didn't know. I'm that's one of my big, like I'm not a technical person. I don't know a lot of technicalities, which is very honestly a shameful thing to admit.
But are you like learning on the job and like you're getting better with it?
Yeah. Like I'm always asking, explain this lens. What does this mean? What is that? Why this? Why that? I always ask. Yeah, I remember even on Guilty, they kept saying Loban Lao. I said, what is Loban? And they're like, oh, this smoke. I said, oh, okay.
Loban
Yeah,
Lao.
so there's a lot of things you learn on the job.
Yeah.
Because I've never been in AD, so I
Right.
don't know.
Yeah, like you don't know
Yeah,
that. When
yeah.
you've been on field, you kind of know what it
Yeah.
is. Like sometimes, just in fact today, I told them, I said, please correct me if I sleep like this
Yeah.
in an interview or
Yeah.
my posture goes
Yeah.
wrong because I'm not constantly aware
Yeah.
of the
You
camera.
learn as you grow.
We learn as we
Yeah.
grow. Correct. Okay, Gram ke baare mein batao. What's that one thing which is damn desi about you and something that you picked up through the series?
Desi about me, I'm very desi. Like I'm very like,
Chill.
yeah, like I speak in Hindi, I'm like doing it. I mean, I feel I'm desi at my core, to be honest. Something I picked up from the series, from the
Series, yeah, like working with everybody and understanding. Like you must have probably gotten rooted in some way or the other, no? Learning about how that works.
Yes or no, because I feel we were only with each other.
Okay.
So I feel like I was still with a bunch of Bombay people only.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? For all purposes.
There were no like gaon ka people, real people and all like Aju Baju.
Yeah. There were a lot. Like there were, but they were always watching. I think we have shot in the coolest gaon ever because nobody gave a shit.
Wow.
Everyone was minding their business, just set, they'd walk off. You'd assume that the gaon walas like.
Aake dekhenge
Yeah. They didn't care. You to like ask them. When we needed crowds, please aajao, please aajao. So yeah, but it's interesting. You learn about like. Okay, like because this gaon we lived in, it was way inside, and like there was no network, and there was like very different living experience. Like I genuinely thought that their houses were a set because I couldn't believe, oh wow, people live like this here. It's not modernized at all.
Okay.
So
the actual places where you all shot, most of them were sets, or most of them were real places?
Every single thing, 100% was a live location.
Wow.
Not one thing was a set.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's insane.
When I'm changing the light bulb,
Yeah.
the woman is inside the house, so that door, she's there. So every cut should look kaisa tha, acha tha, ma'am. Like,
So it's like TV पे था, आपका घर खाली, आज shoot करना है.
It was literally like that. It was literally like that.
Oh damn, this is
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah.
Crazy. Okay, also want to talk to you about your scene in Jigra. Like,
Yeah.
oh my god, we were like, ये इसने कैसे किया? How did you do that? One second. Question, was it planned? Did you know? Or did you just did it because Alia is a friend?
No, it's because Vasan sir. Because,
Yeah,
So,
that's a connection as well.
correct. So in Monica, how he had all his previous actors
Yeah.
do cameos. So I bumped into Sir somewhere and I said, hey, you're doing this film, that's so cool. And he's like, come, do for fun. Because even in Jigra, there's Sikandar,
Yeah.
there's Abhimanyu.
Yeah, there are a lot of people.
So
Yeah.
he did that. So I was just one of his actors who did that for fun.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Ashwin, in these times you tell them, listen, I need to be paid, it's a per day job.
Not at all. Absolutely not at all. Chup-chaap, kaam kare ghar jao.
Fun vibe, no?
Yeah,
That's
fun.
a chill situation
Yeah.
to do. Okay, talk to me about 2025, 2026. What are some of your plans?
I feel like I'm not someone who has like rigid plans with like, because I feel that boxes you. The world is anyway boxing. You don't box yourself. I do know I want to do more meaningful stuff, like as cliche as that sounds, but factually, just like stuff that like that when it releases, people remember, it stays with people, gets people excited. Those are my professional goals. I just want to like, it has to be a little more in everything, like a better role. I want to level up. I want to level up. Personal goals, I want to move into my own home. I want to travel at least once a year with my girlfriends. Just hang with my fam, watch my sister's family grow. The basics.
Oh, that's cute.
basics.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Do you have like a fear that you're like really like, oh my God, this is the biggest fear of my life?
Failure. I have such a fear of failure.
This is a very deep person. When's your birthday?
18 September, Virgo.
Oh my God, I'm 18th May, so number 9. Again,
Yes.
super focused, super rigid. Dekh liya to chahiye.
Yes, yes.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Damn, crazy. Okay, so
Yeah.
failure does bother you.
Yeah, it scares me.
And then, what's
Yeah.
your plan? How do you sort of get out of that zone?
Because fear and faith both are scenarios you make up. Like, so both are things that don't exist, right? So you pick it. Some days fear gets the best of you. Some day you're like, shit, I'm doomed, and what? But then you wake up and you're like, now let's have some faith.
What's happening with Guilty? Can we say season 2? Because we really want
I
one.
wish, man. So I heard rumors of Guilty 2 happening, but in 2020. yeah.
2025
Yeah,
mein
yeah.
aa gaye.
So I don't think, maybe, who knows? Actually.
You can keep nudging Netflix that we want
Maybe,
Guilty 2 to happen,
yeah.
because it was a show that we all thoroughly enjoyed. And I think we're at a time right now where it still relates to.
Yeah.
मतलब 5 साल बाद भी अगर आप
Yeah.
किसी को देख रहे हो, 6-7 years old, so later,
Yeah.
if it stays relevant,
Yeah.
you know that, okay,
Correct.
this is something that's going to click and work. And now
Correct.
there are so many series ke part 2s coming.
Yeah.
We want of Guilty as
Yeah,
well.
maybe.
So shout out to
Yeah.
Netflix and let's
Yeah.
hope for the best
Yeah.
that to happen.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. One thing that you picked from your co-star that you sort of imbibed as an actor, but आपने किसी ने आपको बोला नहीं ये करने के लिए, you observed it that they had as this quality.
One definitely from Kiara about like making someone feel comfortable. I mean, of course, till now I've only worked in sets where people have been more established than I have. But like one day when I'm in a position where maybe I'm working with someone, who's new, that sense of ease it gives you, where you don't feel intimidated with who you're working with. I feel like she did that for me.
Yeah.
Where it was just like, okay, I got this. Like, I don't need, there's nothing to fear, right? So I feel like just making the set comfortable, making the set relaxed, because when the atmosphere is relaxed, when an actor is relaxed, then I feel like they're present and they can do their best. So I felt like I was able to do that in Guilty because my co-star, because most of my scenes were, I feel, with Kiara.
Yeah.
So like, they give that sense of ease. Like, yeah. I think with Raj, I just picked up everything. I was just staring at this man and I'm like, this genius person. Even Radhika, I said this in another interview. She's like, so cool, and I did not interact with her except promotions because we didn't have any
Scenes together.
But like, I feel like actors can be so insecure, or like in this rat race, or in this, there's just so much drama going on here because it's the nature of the beast. It's what the job demands. It's for you to be like cutthroat and fighting, and for your place and this and that. She's just like, and she's not given any gyan on this. That's my observation. I just feel like she's so like, I'm here for the purity of it, and I just want to do a good job, and my work will speak for itself, and peace out.
Yeah.
I feel that's her zone, and I aspire to be that.
How are you so secure then?
How am I so secure?
Yeah.
I don't think I'm very secure. I think I'm definitely, like I said, when you are trying to do it on your own, all you have is yourself. Like, sometimes my friend has said, someone who said, what do you think you can get better in acting? As in just friendly chatter. I said, I don't know, I have to still figure it out. Why are you so confident? I said, I'm not, but why is that a bad thing?
Right.
I feel like I'm, what else do I have if not my own self-belief?
Correct.
Then very easily someone can waver me and say, nahi, tum to ye karo, nahi, tum to wo karo, and I'll do it. But I really feel like I'm made for more. I can do more. I'm capable of more. So I won't call that secure. I'll call that self-belief. And I get very insecure a lot of times. Sometimes for the dumbest of shit. And I'm like judging myself. But again, nature of the beast. It happens to the best and the worst of people. I know that.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. ऐसा कुछ that you're really itching to do from within, and अगर वो opportunity आ गई, that's when the industry gates will actually flood open itself.
It's a very superficial thing, but when I just get a bigger role, I've done smaller parts in big stuff, but I've not done a role that is like the stories from my lens. Right? Even though Guilty was Tanu's case, it was from Kiara's
Kiara's
lens.
lens,
So
yeah.
I feel as an audience, when you are watching something from this protagonist's eyes, you relate to this person. You feel. So I feel when you get a bigger part, fortunately, unfortunately, like a theatrical, for example, you reach more people, and right now the market demands popularity.
Yeah, that's also there.
You know, so I feel like I can play maybe a path-breaking role on OTT, but I feel, again, please God prove me wrong, maybe not, but I feel like unless you do something like really big that a wider audience sees, I feel like you're stuck in that same circle.
Okay, can I give you a counter
for
thought
sure.
to this? Okay. Since we're discussing Kiara, she did Lust Stories.
Correct.
And that became a game changer
Correct.
for her.
Correct.
Of course, then there was Guilty, right? But
Kabir Singh.
Kabir Singh. The theatrical, yeah, the whole thing happened after, but also Lust Stories played a role
Yes.
for her
Yes.
to like sort of
Yeah.
pave that path.
Yeah.
जब
Yeah.
Kabir Singh मिला.
Correct.
And also another thing is, since we mentioned Kabir Singh, वो role ही इतना मासी और relatable है ना कि हमारा audience भी वही
Yeah.
चाहता है.
Yeah.
Like at some given kudos that you got a Gram Chikitsalaya,
Yeah.
because kahin na kahin wo tier 2, tier 3, tier 4,
Correct.
whatever those
Correct. That was
places
the
are
aim.
required.
Correct, that was the aim.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm not making excuses saying, oh,
Right.
because I'm not got that. That's not it.
Yeah.
But I feel, then what's lacking? Then if I have to self-reflect, I was like, maybe it's that, because I get directors who compliment me post, I get critics who've always
Yeah,
said good
said good
things.
things.
I've got audience who likes the work, so then what's missing, right? Like, how do I get that big banner film or that big role? How do I get them to trust? If I'm a good performer, then what's the missing ingredient?
What's the missing? Have you tried to figure out what the blockage is?
I do believe it's market. I'm aware it's market.
Yeah.
It's following. It's commercial viability. Right?
Can I add to certain things since I'm on this side of the
Yeah.
market? We have this ongoing debate, you
Yeah.
know, of casting people
Yeah.
who already have a certain section of following on
Yeah.
social media. अब वो अच्छे actors हैं या बुरे actors हैं, that's absolutely
Yeah.
secondary. But in the recent times, only if I pick so many films that have happened, there are so many people who are casted just basis following.
Yeah.
Not saying this on my own. A, we've seen it. B, I've spoken to multiple casting
Yeah.
directors, and they've also admitted openly in interviews कि ये
Yeah.
होता है.
Yeah.
Do you agree? Disagree? What's your
100%.
situation?
I'm on that side of dealing with it.
Yeah.
100%. That's what, right? So that's why that's my math.
Yeah.
Where I'm like, okay, maybe it's that. Like, what else?
Yeah, but then you know what? You're not an influencer again. That's
Yeah.
a different job altogether, and you're an actor.
Yeah,
and you have
that's
to
literally
act.
what I told Shravan right now. I said it's like the chicken and the egg, right?
Right.
Like, to get the following, you have to get the work. But to get the work, you have to get the following.
Oh God, it's
So,
just a rat
yeah.
race and a circle ongoing.
Yeah.
But well, I think the world's not ending yet.
I
We
think
have a lot of time.
I'm still very grateful.
Yeah.
Like, I had a show release on Amazon Prime, which is something to be very, very grateful
Yeah.
for. And a lot of people are still like, that's such an end goal for them, right?
Correct.
So I'm very happy. And miles to go before I sleep. I think that's
Yeah.
the way to look at it.
And you had a Netflix too, तो तुम्हारा दो हो चुका है आपके यहाँ पे, which is a great thing.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something on a lighter note, right? When you're like probably not working and you're
Yeah.
just sitting at home and chilling, what kind of content A are you consuming?
Yeah.
And then what kind of content you're like happily thinking, यार ये मैं better कर सकती थी.
that though. Don't get me started. I'm only consuming thrillers, murders, true crime, documentaries. I watch a lot of them. Like, I only watch that actually. I don't watch anything light.
Wow.
I don't have fun watching light.
Oh my God, that's insane.
Yeah, like I've always watched documentaries pre-OTT era. And then like true crime.
तो आप वो YouTube वाले हो
Yeah,
documentaries
Nat
देखने के
Geo,
लिए.
BBC, all of those documentaries. I used to watch a lot of Vox,
Fun.
all of that. History Channel.
Oh, lovely, amazing. And
Yeah.
something that you feel you could do better? Maybe genre.
Genre. I don't know. Maybe not better, but I feel like I've still not. Actually, I don't even know, man. I literally don't know.
Are you craving like a mad ass love story coming
No,
your way?
because
You're
I don't
like,
watch
"नहीं
them,
चाहिए."
so I don't care for them.
But चलेगा वो theaters में
Correct.
तो करना पड़ेगा.
That's why I'm not saying no.
Yeah,
No,
yeah,
please
you're
don't
open.
get me wrong. I'm not saying no. Please.
I'm open to anything that comes my
I'm
way.
open to anything that propels me forward.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Have you become thick-skinned?
Oh, I was born thick-skinned.
Really?
I was born thick-skinned.
Wow, that's insane.
I feel like I've always been someone who's had a lot of preconceived notions about me. So I've always been used to meeting someone and then being like, oh, I never liked you before, but you're really warm. So I know this.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
You'll learn to live with it.
Recall, how do I put this? Recall one of the most heartfelt, touching moments of your life when somebody from the industry complimented you for your work.
Yeah, I feel post guilty, man. Post guilty, there were like people who, maybe they would just put up a post. So I would reply, like tag us and say, and then I would reply, and then I would just say how much I love them and or whatever, and then the replies, and I'm like, oh man, I exist and you like me, like what?
Yeah.
So a lot of that happened. Even like when I do general cold sometimes messages, to directors and stuff, and when they say, no, I've really liked you, keep doing the good work and you're very good, I was like, okay, it's not, the world's not coming to an end, it's good, like it's good.
But
like your
someone's
mind can,
word that really touched your core at a deeper level, where you felt like this feedback was really sweet and nice and kind.
I don't want to name and everything, but like definitely, like there were actors and there were directors post guilty that just see was different. Like I feel like what touched me was what real people said, was the messages that I got from girls, saying, hey, this motivated me to do this, or this spoke to me and this gave me courage, and so that really touched me personally. Professionally, like I said, it was just like validation that I got. That's just something that stayed with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I have a fun game planned for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Which are like super cool random questions.
Yeah.
Okay. But you have to give the first thing that comes to your mind.
Okay.
So you literally have 3 seconds.
Okay,
Okay,
cool.
to answer. Are we ready? Let's do this. The first thing that comes to your mind when I say, what's your guilty pleasure?
Ooh, what's my guilty pleasure? Damn, shit, true crime.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Who would you recreate a viral reel with?
My best friend Meghna. We keep sending each other reels and we're like, we need to do this, we've not done one, but the aim is.
Okay, which is the viral reel that you want to recreate?
Like there's one I've seen where someone says, don't tell this to anybody, and she does this, and then she throws the key and the best friend catches it.
Nice.
I love that, I'm dying to do that.
Okay, let's make one.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. Recall a crazy fan interaction.
Crazy, I think people have been very nice. I don't have any crazy fans, I have like very nice interactions, because now it's all like,
There. Okay. Recall a moment when you were at the airport and you saw another celebrity getting papped.
I don't think that's happening. Oh my god, it literally just happened. I was flying somewhere in the night and I knew it was a paid pap interaction, which was more hilarious because I'm walking past and these paps are like, "Kaun hai?" And they looked at me and said, "No, wo to nahi hai." "Hi, uska gaadi ka number ye hai." And then I'm just like smiling to myself and I'm like whatever giving my ticket, and then I hear aa gaya. And I look back and there's some dude with chashma and I'm like, oh god.
Are you telling me who this dude is?
Absolutely not. Absolutely
I was like, Esha, no.
Absolutely not. It was just so funny. I was like, guys, please.
Okay. ठीक है. If you could be remembered for just one scene of yours, which one would it be?
The train sequence from Guilty.
Okay. One word that describes your current life phase.
Flow.
Okay. A dish which you cook the best, if you do.
Water. I don't even boil it. I can serve it from the bottle.
So, got the answer. Akansha से क्या बना रहे हो? पानी. Love it. Your most annoying habit.
I'm always like questioning.
Okay.
Yeah.
The way to your heart is.
To make me laugh.
Okay. How many pair of shoes and bags you own?
Not too many. Maybe bags. Literally, I have this drawer and इसमें all my bags fit. Must be like 7 to 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your biggest pet peeve?
Just unkind people, rude people.
3 things you cannot tolerate.
People disrespecting people, animal cruelty. What can I also not tolerate? Just like lazy people. Yeah.
Okay. Last thing you googled.
Gram Chikitsala review.
Nice one. This is called nice plugin.
Yeah.
I love it. But ठीक है, करोगे
But it's true
ना?
also.
देखना भी
I'm a
तो है.
mad person. I'm like this.
क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah.
Is everything happening
Yeah.
well or not?
Yeah.
Okay, great. What's the weirdest question you've been asked in an interview? Give me the question.
I don't think anything weird has been asked yet. I don't think anything weird. But like, yeah, recently someone asked, तो क्या लगता है? Do you think Gram Chikitsalaya will be a hit or it will be a bad attempt? Or average attempt? So I said, I ain't no antaryami, but I'm hoping. I said, nobody works for it to be an average attempt.
मैं आज इसलिए काम कर रहा कि ये average
बने. Average हुए. So I said, very random question, so I must say.
Oh God.
Yeah, so those you get. Yeah.
Okay. Name a director, a female co-actor, and a male co-actor you'd like to work with next.
Okay. Director Vikramaditya Motwani. Male actor Pankaj Tripathi.
Right.
Female actor Sanim Malhotra.
Mrs. That's it. Fab movie,
Just
of course.
too good.
Okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
First thing that comes to your mind when I take these following names: Zeenat Aman,
Legend.
Hema Malini,
Queen.
Madhuri Dixit,
Dance.
Kareena Kapoor Khan.
Vibe.
Yeah, totally Queen vibes only.
Yeah.
Alia Bhatt.
Bestie.
Oh, so cute. Okay, Katrina Kaif.
Confident. Yeah.
Deepika Padukone.
She's Queen again, but like just perfect. She's just like divine. Like,
Vicky Kaushal.
course I want to work with.
Ooh, nice. Okay, great, good one. Kartik Aaryan.
Masala.
Sara Ali Khan.
Masala.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Life. Just life.
Great.
Yeah.
That's a fun chat.
Yeah.
I had a good time
Yeah.
talking to you, Akansha.
Yeah,
I'm
me
looking
too.
forward to doing more conversations
Yeah,
with you.
yeah.
And hopefully next you're coming and telling me that, hi, Isha, I'm doing this next. And then I'm going to be like, oh, we have to keep it inside us now.
Yes.
Because we can't
Yes.
broadcast it because we believe in Nazar.
Yes.
Yeah, we're those girls.
Lots of Nazar.
We
Yes,
believe in
yes.
lots of Nazar.
Yes.
But lots of more power to you. For now, the show is there for everybody
Yes.
to watch. So everybody out there, हिंदी में बोलूंगी मैं सबको ये, जाइए और ग्राम चिकित्सालय देखिए सिर्फ Amazon Prime पे because there's Akansha Ranjan Kapoor, somebody who I love.
Fab. 10 on 10.
Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Hope to see you guys super soon.